Do you want to know how you can share your threads link or your threads to your Instagram story? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can share your threads link or your threads on Instagram or in your Instagram story. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Now, if you want to share your link, go ahead and tap on your profile and then click share profile. Go ahead and copy the link and then you can paste it on your Instagram story, or else go to share profile and go to Instagram. So go ahead and click more and go to Instagram, and you can see that you can send it to people and you can share your profile. Now, if you want to share some threads on your story, go ahead and tap on this arrow icon and click on story. You can see that this has been added to your story. Now click on your stories and then click share. This way you can share threads on your Instagram story. I hope this video about how you can share your threads link and your threads on Instagram story was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.